So if you want more pictures, you can take it. Yeah.
Nice.
I'm so awkward at cameras, I'm telling you. And people ask me to pose, I get all like, दूसरों की अच्छी ले लेती हूँ. I've waited for it so long, and I knew
That is still
that
happening.
it will
Yes.
happen.
Well, I guess we spoke 2 years ago, and we spoke, then we stopped speaking, we spoke, we stopped speaking. We kept on doing it for 2 years without any idea that why we stopped speaking. Right? The spark was always there. We always knew that it is going to happen, and we need to put that effort in. We were not putting that effort in. But this time when we spoke, we were like, yeah, let's catch up, let's meet, let's see that what needs to be done. And the spark was, we knew that, and we just met, and it just flew from there. It's just been 2 months. We have been speaking again, meeting, and I think very quickly we knew that I knew that she's the one. I think she also knew that we can make it happen.
I knew the day I spoke to you.
Yes.
I knew the day I spoke to you, Abhi, April.
And it was just about them deciding when to get married, and there was no date. So we were thinking of getting it done in July, but there was no date. And the only date was something before 6th June. And we said 6th June is the date, and we just went ahead with it. So it's been 10 days of planning to get married.
So we decided that we'll do it in November. And I was like, okay, I went to office, I get a message. Yeah, what's the problem is doing it in June? So I said, no problem, I can get married next year also to you. So he said, really? I said, huh. So then we decided, okay, let's do June. We told our parents that this is the date. And yeah, then we started the planning and we pulled it off
10
very
days.
well. So
10 days flat.
Yeah, I mean, he booked the venue, everything so quick. I was so impressed. I was like, the decisions I can't make, he'll be able to make those decisions.
I always feel also now that she's the one. She can manage things I can't manage. She can manage everything. She's an all-rounder, and she manages me also very well. So I think that's what needed, yeah.
I think we have a great chemistry because we understand, each other, what we are thinking at that moment. Like if he's busy during the day, I know that he's busy. Even if I leave a message and he's not responding, I'm not worried about it. That was the thing that I knew, that he's not going anywhere. Generally that happens, right? You're not responding, you feel that. But with him, I was always like, okay, he's busy. It's okay, he'll call. And I saw the effort that he put in. He really put in the effort, calling, small things. While he's driving to work, he gives me a call, even if it's for 2 minutes or something. In the evening, also when he's driving back, he calls me. And now I know when he's reaching home also I know, because he puts that indicator on and I know, oh, you're going into that no network zone, so that means you're reaching home. So I think that understanding we have. And
We are part of each other's routine now.
even though we've not been living together, but we know the routine very well. And we have a lot of fun also together. I think I make him laugh more by
Oh yeah, for sure.
because I have those antiques. I do those antiques, so he loves it. है ना? You
Yeah,
do, right?
100%. I have no choice not to say I don't like them.
Yeah.
नारायण नमोस्तुते।
कौन से हाथ बुला लिए सर?
देखा तेनू पहली बार वे होने लगा दिल बेकरार वे रब्बा मैनू की हो गया दिल जानिए मैं तेरा ही हो गया हो तेरे अगे पिछे घूमे सोने जदों तेरे हथ चुमे सोने मिठा मिठा जी हो गया दिल जानिए हाय मैनू की हो गया प्यार तू जताए, कैसे पास मेरे आए, कैसा प्यार तू जताए, कैसे पास मेरे आए। मैंने पाऊँ तेरे दिल की चोरियां मैं तेरी हो गईयां, हाँ मैं तेरी हो गईयां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां, हाँ मैं तेरी हो गईयां। तेरी लाग ऐसी लागी, रैन सारी सारी जागी, तेरी लाग कैसी माहिया, तूने ही की मन मानी, एक भी न मेरी मानी, ऐसे क्यों सताया माहिया। कैसे तुझको ये बताए कि हम जी नहीं पाए, कैसे तुझको ये बताए, हाँ हम जी नहीं पाए। जान लेती थी तेरी मेरी दूरियां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां।
चौरो अम्म वो पृथ्वी तम तावे विभाव है सारे को छोड़ना हो ऊपर आ जाए परीक्षा, तो आपको आगे रहना, पीछे करने को
Pack yourself a toothbrush deal, pack yourself a favorite blouse, take a withdrawal slip, take all of your savings out, 'cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown, baby come on. Forget what Father Brennan said, we were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed, let your mother know you're safe, and by the time she
आया पियो और अब जैसा भी है जो आपको ये जाने
देश में ही रहने वाला, कहीं नहीं जाने वाला।
विदेश में
come on.
अभी आप उसको बोलो ध्यान रखना, ये करना, खाना बनाना।
If there's someone
वो पत्नी अभी आज आएगी,
to, and if the sideways flood bridges burn, will you lay yourself down and dig your grave, or will you rail against the dying day? And when we looked outside, couldn't even see the sky. How do you pay the rent? Is it your Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out.
मैं देता हूँ पक्का यूपीआई फोन पे तो नहीं है ₹101 ट्रांसफर
हमारे पास भी नहीं है 22,000 पे आ गए फिर वापस चली गई
क्या करूँगा
हम तो 50-50 मिड में मिलने वाले थे ना।
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल तो मैंने कभी नहीं बोला
हो गया
साली
दिलाओ अभी कितने में सेटल हुआ
जगह दिल विच खाली आके अज पर देवे राह लंघ गईयां सारी दीद तेरी कर देवे जगह दिल विच खाली आके अज पर देवे हाय वे मैं कल्ली होई तेरे पिछे चली होई राती चन्न थल्ले बह के याद तेनू करके रोई सरना नी तेरे बिन मेरा ले जा मैनू नाल ले जा दुनिया तो दूर ले जा कर ले कबूल वे हाथ फड़ ले मेरा सरना नी तेरे बिन मेरा कोई परेशान होना कर ले ख्याल हुण
टाइम
चलो चलो चलो
ओके